StoryTeller empowers writers by guiding them through a story edit and providing a structure that ensures your hard work pays off. The first thing you do is import your manuscript. You can see a detailed view of importing your manuscript on our Import Manuscript video. We'll skip that stage and go right into the app. Within seconds of importing your manuscript, Fictionary creates powerful visuals such as the story arc. StoryTeller works because its foundational principles are proven and age-old. The story arc is one of 12 visuals that you can use. Here you can compare your story arc to the recommended story arc. The Evaluate page is the heart of StoryTeller. Before StoryTeller, keeping track of characters, plot, and settings was complicated. StoryTeller makes it easy. You can develop your characters, improve your plot, and create engaging settings by evaluating your writing against 38 different story elements. For example, Fictionary has automatically linked each of your characters to a scene, so you can immediately track your characters throughout your manuscript. The middle panel is where you'll edit your text. On the left, you can drag and drop scenes, and you can drag and drop chapters. The improvements you make here are reflected in the visual insights, so as you edit, you can continually see the impact on your story. I'll show you one more quick thing. Here you can enter notes per scene, so if you think of stuff while you're editing but don't want to deal with it at that time, you can enter your notes here. On the guide page, you can export your manuscript to Word at any time. You can export your scene notes, and you can also re-import your manuscript here. We recommend before re-importing that you export whatever you have to Word, as the re-import will overwrite whatever's in there now. Good luck with your editing. Send us an email if you have any questions.